Welcome to Tools, Tech, and Gear. I'm Seth. I use the Rode Wrieless Go 2 with my G7X Mark III camera. When I first got this mic about 6 months ago, there was this annoying buzz. You're probably watching this video because of that exact same issue. So here's what I did to eliminate that. First, go into the receiver of your Rode Go microphone and turn the dB value all the way to max. It's just a couple of clicks there on the button. And then go into the settings of your G7X Mark III, go over to audio and make sure you have the manual mode set, and then go into the settings for the microphone and turn it to 1 notch above 0. So basically the transmitter receiver is sending out full dB signal and the camera is receiving the smallest amount. And that's the main thing that fixed my audio problem. Now you can also go in and turn off the Wi-Fi, especially if you're not using a remote for your camera, and then also turn off the Bluetooth. I don't use either of those, and so there may be some kind of signal issue that's affecting the microphone. You can also get a little extension cable instead of using the red one that came with the microphone, and then put some signal reducers on there to further eliminate the problem. But for me, just changing the dB setting in the microphone and then going into the camera settings and dropping that almost to 0 has solved my issue completely. And as you can tell, the volume level is just fine with those settings. Hope this helps you. If it does, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear it. This problem plagued me for at least 6 months before I figured out what was going on. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth with Tools, Tech, and Gear, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.